Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between two popular treadmills, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the Well-Fit Walking Pad Treadmill. This showdown is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive in and find out which treadmill might be the best fit for your fitness journey. When it comes to price and value, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill is priced at $299, offering a more budget-friendly option compared to the Well-Fit Walking Pad Treadmill, which comes in at $399. Reviewers appreciate the Cursor for its affordability and suitability for walking or jogging, especially during bad weather, suggesting it offers good value for money. The Well-Fit, although pricier, is praised for its minimal assembly, compact size, and convenience, making it worth the extra cost for those looking for space-saving options. Feature-wise, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill boasts a quiet brushless motor and 12 preset programs, making it ideal for those who prefer a simple, uninterrupted workout experience. Reviewers love its ease of use and compact design. On the other hand, the Well-Fit Walking Pad Treadmill shines with its voice control function, compatibility with fitness apps, and its own Well-Fit apps, appealing to tech-savvy users and those looking to integrate their workout with social apps. In terms of design and usability, the Cursor offers a spacious running area, accommodating users who need more room to move. It's also praised for its compact and easy-to-use nature, fitting perfectly in smaller spaces. The Well-Fit, being a 2-in-1 small treadmill, is only 4.9 inches thick, making it ideal for those with limited living space. Reviewers find it easy to store under furniture, highlighting its ultra-compact design. Regarding health and safety features, the Cursor is equipped with real-time heart rate monitoring, ensuring a safe workout experience. Reviewers find this feature reassuring and helpful. The Well-Fit, with its powerful knee pad shock absorption system, offers a comfortable and low-impact workout, which is particularly appreciated by users looking to protect their joints. Finally, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill comes with a generous 5-year warranty and 24/7 support, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Reviewers are confident in the customer service team's ability to assist with any issues. The Well-Fit Walking Pad Treadmill, while not explicitly mentioning warranty details, is highlighted for its ease of setup, use, and overall satisfaction, suggesting a positive customer service experience. Overall, reviewers express satisfaction with both treadmills, each catering to different needs and preferences. The Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill is praised for its affordability, simplicity, and reliability, making it a great choice for those seeking a straightforward workout experience. The Well-Fit Walking Pad Treadmill, on the other hand, is appreciated for its convenience, tech-savvy features, and joint-friendly design, appealing to users looking for a modern, compact solution. Thank you for watching our comparison between the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the Well-Fit Walking Pad Treadmill. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision on which treadmill suits your fitness goals best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description below for more details. Happy running!